We have positive powers, we can do long division, and what else? We have to check our dividend is in decreasing order. We have y squared, next is y in first power, so everything is okay. So we have to concentrate now on the first terms, 6y squared and 2y. This is our divisor. By what I have to multiply 2y to get 6y squared? Of course, by 3y. 3 times 2 give me 6, and y times y will be y squared. Now we have to multiply every term of our divisor by 3y. So we have 3y times 2y is 6y squared. 3y times negative 3 is negative 9y. Now we have to do subtraction. 6y squared minus 6y squared is 0, we don't have to write. And next we have negative sign before parentheses, so negative and negative give us positive 9y. Negative 7y plus 9y is 2y. And we have to drop down negative 3. Again, we have to check if the power is the same or greater. We can still do division. If the y will be in the lowest power than our divisor, we cannot do division. So 2y and 2y. By what I have to multiply 2y to get 2y? By 1, of course, positive 1. 1 times 2y give me 2y. And next I have to multiply every term of our divisor by 1. So 1 times 2y is 2y. 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. Again, we have to do subtraction. And we see that we have 2y minus 2y is 0, negative 3, and we have negative and negative, so it will be positive. Negative 3 plus 3 give me 0. So our remainder is 0. And we can rewrite our problem that 6y squared minus 7y minus 3 divided by 2y minus 3 is equal whatever we got on the top. 3y plus 1. This is my solution.